Hello there everybody, it's Fashionable Friday live collection launch, and today we are talking about Gemelli necklaces. Our collection is called A Little Color, A Little Shine, and it's built around our Gemelli necklaces, which you are going to be seeing modeled on a body behind me, and which I will be showing you up close and personal in the video. This collection is live right now online, and you can grab the link in the comments to this video, or you can go directly to our website, fashioncrossroadsinc.com, click anywhere in that big picture at the top of the screen, and it'll take you directly into this collection, and everything that I'm showing you will be right there. So we are in the midst of a Missed Wish double loyalty points event. So we're encouraging you, if you didn't get something under the tree that you were hoping that you would get, it was a missed wish, that you take advantage of getting those things this weekend and earn double loyalty points. So for example, our normal loyalty program is $10 for every $200 you spend. So today and tomorrow, if you spent $50, you're going to actually get $100 worth of loyalty points. So that's going to get you to that next $10 loyalty reward that much quicker. So it's time to use your bonus bucks. If you got them on Small Business Saturday, remember those are only good the month of January. They expire on January 31st. Your gift cards, your Christmas money, all of those things, this is a great time to make all of that go double as far as it would on a normal day. So that is what's happening. Today and tomorrow are the last 2 days to take advantage of that event. And so let's dig into this collection. So Gemelli necklaces, I was able to meet the owner of the company when I went to market and bought these. They're great. So they are scarf necklaces, but what I love about them is they're convertible. You know me, I love convertible because it means that as working professional women, we can make it go that much farther. We can use it in multiple ways, which gives it way more value than if we can just use it one way. So what's awesome about these necklaces, and you'll see in the picture, actually that's a close-up of the one I'm showing you right now, you'll see that you can wear it as a necklace with the pendant, or you can flip it, which you'll see here in just a second, and wear it as a scarf. So great little neck scarf. They're just such a classy, sophisticated, and chic professional thing. And so you have two options, as a necklace or as a scarf, with every single one of these necklaces. So all of the pendants are gold with CZ crystals. So you're going to see they're all kind of embellished. So that's the little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shine. And they all come off. So they just have a little clasp that, let's see, how do they do? It's a huggy. Yep. So they just open up like that, and they come off. So you can take this pendant, you can wear it on other things. Like I could easily take this Kendra Scott necklace that I have on that has this great kind of gold clasp right here, put that pendant on it, and I can wear it like that. Or I can wear it with my scarf, or I can wear just the scarf itself knotted without any pendant, or I can wear the scarf with the tie front as a cute little neck scarf. So lots of options with these. And then you'll see with the brand, then you can collect scarves, collect pendants, and then wear a scarf with multiple pendants and charms. So there's lots of, it's kind of like mica in that way, in that there's lots of ways to expand the brand, which is really cool. The other thing I love about Gemelli is the prints on the scarves are proprietary to Gemelli. So you're never going to see this print on any other scarf from any other company. The only way you can get this print is to get it this way from Gemelli. So I like that very much as well. Okay, so they each have names. All of the pendants are hearts, coins, crosses, so very like wearable, and also like for Valentine's Day, I think one of these heart pendants would be a really cool gift if you're looking for a fun money. This one has the pretty much solid brown. It's got brown and a little bit of tan in the scarf, and then it's got the heart, and then you can see the heart has the CZ crystals in the middle, and then also all the way around the end. And these are $75. So from the brand, you can buy the pendant separately or the scarves separately. But for my first time trying out the brand, I actually had the owner of Gemelli hand pick scarves and pendants to go together for you guys. So these are her very best choices in both her scarf prints and her pendant picks. And so we have them priced together as one set. So you're starting out with a scarf and a pendant. And then I'm hoping going forward, then I'll be able to carry separate pendants, separate scarves, so then you guys can build the line as you like. So that's really fun as well. So they're $75, which is $35 for the pendant and $35 for the scarf. So this one is called the Joanne Heart. The Joanne Heart. So if you're looking for it online, that is the Joanne Heart. What I also love about these necklaces is they're great to layer with other things. So this is one that I've layered with another one of our necklaces here in the store. And as you guys know, layering your jewelry right now is really where things are at. So this is a beautiful way to just kind of make your jewelry more personal and reflect your own personal style a little bit more by layering those together. So I love that together. I'm going to show you some other potential layers as well. So let's keep going with the necklaces. So this guy, and they're all unique, they're all distinctive, and I only have one. So there's no back stock. When it's gone, it's gone. So if you fall in love with something, you probably want to grab it today. And if you can't come in the store and you make a purchase online and you're a loyalty member, don't worry. I will make sure you get your double loyalty points for your purchase today and tomorrow. All right, so this one is called the Abalone Heart. So this is actual abalone. Look at how beautiful that is. I love all those swirls of color. It's got the faux pearls around it, and then the heart is encased in gold. So it even is cute like that. You could even flip this one if you wanted just a plain heart, or you could wear it with the abalone side forward, which is really nice. Again, to get the multiple number of wears out of one thing gives it value, right? So again, if you're just joining us, hi Susan, hi Robin, hi Brenda. If you're just joining us, all of these necklaces can be worn multiple ways. So you can wear them with the pendant, there's the abalone on Christy, with the pendant, without the pendant, or as a scarf necklace with the tie in the front. So there it is. As the necklace. Okay, we're moving on to the other one. So I'll show you the tie here in just a second. But they literally just untie, and you can put them around your neck. I gotta scoot that tag back. It's kind of in the way. And then do your little cute tie. I remember the days when women wore cute little neck scarves like this. I always thought they were so trendy and classy. But look at how cute that is. It's just like a tied little neck scarf. And again, as I said, the prints on the scarves are completely proprietary to Gemelli. This one has mustard and navy blue and some cream as well as that heart pendant. So again, that one is called the Abalone Heart. Then we have this one, which is for your classic turquoise lover. So this one has the coin with the little bit of faux turquoise in the middle, and you can see the coin has some really nice textural details. This is what it looks like on the back. And this is called the turquoise coin. And this scarf has, let me open it up so you can see, it's like a classic little chain print, which is really pretty. So you've got the gold, you've got the cream, you've got the gray, very Ralph Lauren, with that print. And then of course the little bits of turquoise as well. So absolutely gorgeous. Again, these are all one of a kind and they're all $75. And then this is your classic black and white option. This is called the LK Cross. So it's kind of like a mom. You've got your almost like a, what is that, a Lucky Charm kind of symbol. But it has the CZ crystals in the middle there, so you can see that. This is what, sorry guys, I need to remember to take my phone off of Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi is not stable. All right, this is what it looks on the back, like on the back. So again, I think you could wear it crystal side forward or non-crystal side forward, either way. And then this scarf is very beautiful. It has the tan, the black, the white, and again, gorgeous print with the little flowers here. And then classic black, white, and tan, which is gonna go with a ton of things. So no, you cannot take the pendant off of one and mix it with another. They are as they are for now. Going forward, I'm really hoping that we can do that. But I wanted to really build the brand before I went to that direction. So very beautiful there. So here is another example of how you can layer. So again, this is just layered with a little bit longer necklace. This one has the pearls. So I chose a little longer pearl necklace to go with it. I thought that was kind of pretty. But just showing you the different ways that you can wear these necklaces and how you can build them into what you already own. So this is another abalone. This is another abalone heart, but this one has the kind of the pearl back instead of the turquoise back. So hopefully you can see that with the faux pearls. That's what the back of the pendant looks like. And then the scarf on this one has royal blue, emerald green, tan, and some turquoise. So really nice, easy, earthy colors. And again, I think you're choosing these by maybe the pendant that gets your attention and also the colors that you typically wear. You're gonna find lots of opportunities to wear these if you choose colors that you love. So this one is called Berry Heart. Berry Heart. Then we have this guy. This one is another coin. So you can see instead of the turquoise in the middle, you've got the CZ crystal, and then again, the CZ crystals that go all the way around. That's what it looks like on the back. And then this scarf has a little bit warmer, so it's cream, kind of a muted black, a tobacco brown, and a little bit of like a yellowy tan. So this one is going to be really good if you're a little bit more warm toned. It's going to go with your color palette really, really well. That one is called the CZ coin. They don't really have style numbers, so we had to kind of name them by the coin. And then last is this one. It's called the Happy Heart. Sweet little gold heart. Again, great little Valentine's Day gift if you're looking for something unique. So that's, the heart is the same on both sides. And again, if you missed or you're just joining us, all of the pendants come off like that. They just open up. So you can wear them on other things. So like I could take this heart, stick it on this Kendra Scott necklace that I have. Like how cute is that, right? And then I can wear this necklace as a knotted necklace, like that, or as a neck scarf by bringing it forward and tying it in the front. I've had several requests to get these online, and we're just now having time to do that. Oh, I'm sorry, that ticket is so large and so in the way, but you can kind of see then, and I did a horrible job of tying it, but you can kind of imagine then it as a neck scarf. So, so cute, so fun, so many ways to wear them. And this particular scarf has gray, peach, and a couple different peaches, a dark peach and a light peach. It's got white, and then it's got the light and the dark gray. So very pretty colors on that as well. Hey guys, love that heart. Thank you. I like it too. Anything you want to see again. I can show you scarves again. I can show you pendants again. Again, this one's called the Happy Heart. The link to the collection is in the comments to this video. Or you can just go to fashioncrossroadsinc.com, click on the home page, that home banner, that big banner. Right now it has pictures of Christy in all of these Gemelli necklaces. Just click anywhere on that and it'll take you directly into this collection. And then if you missed at the beginning, we are doing double loyalty points today and tomorrow. So you'll get twice the points of what you would normally get. So if you spent 100, instead of just getting 100 loyalty points, you'll get 200 loyalty points. And if you make a purchase online and you're a loyalty member, I will make sure that you get your double loyalty points. We're having to do it manually for the customers that come in the store too. So it's really no different. All right, do you want to see anything else closer up? Do you have any questions about the Gemelli necklaces? Again, the scarves are proprietary to Gemelli, so you'll never see that scarf print on any other scarf brand. And these were all handpicked by the owner herself for you. So I'm pretty excited about that as well. I think they're a pretty awesome accessory. Okay, you guys, that is it. Come on down, take advantage of our double loyalty points, or shop online. We have tons of sales. We have 30 to 60% off right now. So tons of sales. It's a great time to take advantage. Use up those bonus bucks if you got them on Small Business Saturday. Use up your gift cards, use up your Christmas money, and have them all go double what they normally do. All right, talk to you later.